5 complete strangers that discovered me on social media. This is awesome. Belief around that, I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months, by the way, because I already had a belief that I could make 54. That sits around and watches TV, because in 10 years, I could ask one of my children about a Netflix movie. They're not going to remember it, but they will remember the moments. I know I'm not the only mom. I know I'm not the only parent. It is so easy to make $10,000 a month. All you need is 6 customers to make $10,000 a month if you have a higher ticket. That's going to make you money. It's not the person you need. You got to change your belief around that. That's probably one of your biggest blocks. So I want to share with you exactly what I would do if I started from scratch with an online business. I want to share with you what I would do. It's not that different than what I did in 2022, which I think is really, really powerful. Let's say I needed to make money quickly. I didn't have an online business yet, right? So the first thing I would do, I would have one offer, higher ticket. Okay, here's why this is important. Because when you are brand new, selling something, you have to build your brand. And it takes a while to create value. It takes a while to get people to feel understood by you. That takes time. So one of the things that I would do is I would literally sell a higher ticket. So when I get one customer, it's worth more money. Because in the beginning, you're going to get less customers. Now, here's something that is so interesting to me, right? Because I have so many people that join my community and they're like, I want to make 10,000 a month. Here's the thing. Is it easy to make 10,000 a month? Yes. All you need is 6 customers to make 10,000 a month if you have a higher ticket. My point is what's your belief around what you want to make? And I'm sharing this with you guys right now. This is so vital to your success. If you do not have a belief around that you can make that, you're never going to make it. So you have to create the vision, and you have to, and that's the next step that I would do. I would literally know what I needed to make, and I would set that goal. So I'll share with you, when I was brand new, I had a goal of making $54,000 a year, because I literally knew my first year in launching my online business was going to be the learning stage. I gave myself grace. I gave myself 1 year to really navigate in this digital space. And so I literally had to create that belief around the fact that I could learn new skills in the digital marketing space and still make $54,000. I don't care if I don't make nothing for months. I didn't care. I just cared about ending my year making $54,000 a year. I created my belief around that. Because I created my belief around that, I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months, by the way, because I already had a belief that I could make $54,000. Then in 90 days in my business, I was like, I think I'm going to go for 6 figures. And I created that belief around it. Here's why creating the belief around you making money, here's why this is so important. Because we have a lot of stinking thinking. We have a lot of limiting beliefs. And if you're a parent, you have a lot of pressure. We have a lot of financial pressure, right? Or we have a lot of guilt, or we have a lot of disappointment. So you have a lot of beliefs around that. So it's hard to live in those beliefs and think you're going to make 10,000. You got to create the belief around that. So I would have one offer. Number 2, I would create a belief around what income I needed. Okay. I would create a belief around what income I needed. This is the most important step. And this is what so many people miss. They don't have any belief around it. They purchase a course or they purchase a program and they're like, oh, I mean, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then they live in confusion, they live in frustration, they live in overwhelm because they didn't create a belief around it. If I was brand new, this is exactly what I would do. I've not even created my social media account yet, by the way, because I don't need a social media account if I don't even believe I can make money online. So what I had to do, you ready for this? This is how I created a belief around the fact that I just wanted to make $54,000 a year. I looked in the mirror and I said, this is exactly what I said. See what you're capable of in 6 months. Just be proud of the progress. You guys might want to write that down. Be proud of the progress. So I just wanted to make myself proud. So I wasn't going to live in the overwhelm. I wasn't going to live in the frustration. I wasn't going to live in the fact that when I didn't get no views on the video, I wasn't going to live in that. I was going to create a belief around the fact that I can make money online. That's exactly how I made $7,000 my first month with a brand new account on TikTok, by the way, because I had a belief around it, right? And it was a higher ticket, by the way. If you're selling something for $12 or $20, that's not going to be possible to make $7,000 unless you get really, really, really lucky. You just got to be real. But if you have a higher ticket, you need less customers to make more money, which is important when you're brand new. It's not about the cost. It's about the outcome somebody gets if they buy from you, by the way. That's important to understand, by the way. Because if you're out there trying to sell somebody, you're probably not making money. If you try to serve someone, you're probably making a lot of money. That's the big difference. So next I would do is pick one platform. Okay. I would pick one platform. Now, let me share with you. I would pick one platform to go all out on that one. This is what I would do if I had started brand new today. And this would all happen in one day. Okay, let me do this. Day one, I would literally do this and I would pick one platform. So looking at today, I would either go complete Instagram or I would go complete TikTok. I'm actually leaning more towards probably Instagram because of some of the features Instagram has that TikTok doesn't have yet. Okay. This is why you don't ever want to just depend on one platform, by the way. But I would go all in on one platform. If I cannot get customers on one platform, I'm not going to be able to get customers on 3 platforms. It's so important. The audiences are different on every platform. When I launched my business in 2022, I went all in on TikTok. I put blinders onto everything else because I created my belief around my income and I knew that was going to come from TikTok. So I created that, by the way. You have to create this new identity. And so I went all in on TikTok. Again, I would probably have to do a little more research, decide if I would go all in on TikTok. Should I remove Facebook from my phone if I chose TikTok? Well, of course not. Use Facebook to still do your personal, but you got to pick one platform to go all in on business. You're going to create a brand new account for business. Now, if you already have personal accounts, I'm going to share with you a strategy that I would do if I started from scratch. But this is going to be for pick one platform for your biz. Okay. Now, another thing I would do, okay, is, and this is the one you're just going to market in. Some of you are going to master this quickly and be able to go to other platforms sooner. I didn't go to another platform for, oh gosh, a long time. But here's what I did though. I had created, I had YouTube, I had Facebook, and I had Instagram. Not that I was consistent on them. I'm going to share this strategy with you. Hey, my friend, I'm going to share the strategy with you that you'll understand because it just gets you more exposure. Okay. But with not more time. So just decide on one platform. Again, it would be either Instagram or TikTok. I would just have to look at a few other features that TikTok has to see if I would decide. If they have these features, I would probably go TikTok because TikTok is so interest-based. You guys can go create a brand new account right now and talk about one thing over and over and over again, and you're going to attract people that are interested in that. That's the power of TikTok. I love that. Hey, Paul, how are you, my friend? I absolutely love that. Okay, so next thing I would do is I would automate. Okay, pre-built. Okay, with no monthly expenses. Okay, that's an LT. Pre-built. I would automate my system. Here's why. Because I don't know what I'm doing, right? If I had to start over again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm too new. So I would get a pre-built automated system that does the work for me 24/7. So I'm not trading time for dollars. I'm not having to direct message people. I'm not having to follow up with people. I will get a proven automated system that has no monthly expenses that does the hard work for me. That's exactly what I would do. Over and over and over again, I would do that, right? Because I want my system working for me 24/7. So I don't have to work as hard. So important. So important. Okay. Next, I would post free ads on the internet. Here's why I would do that. Because you don't have to create content. And so posting free ads will help create the confidence. Let me ask you this. Let me share with you how vital free ads are, by the way. How many of you have ever Googled how to make money online? How many of you have ever Googled how to make money online? I know in 2022 I did. I Googled, I YouTube so much to the point, you guys, I did. Look at that. I did so much to the point that I got myself massively confused. So free ads, what will happen is if you post enough free ads, you're going to start showing up in Google search. But I want you to think about this. And that's going to be the next step. But when you know exactly who your ideal customer is and you kind of understand where they hang out at, I know my customer would hang out online looking for a way to make money. So if I posted free ads, I'm going to get exposure to my business. Okay, so I would do the free ads. Next, and by the way, this is all going to happen in one day, by the way. Literally in one day, within a few hours, I would do it. Okay, 6 is my perfect customer. Okay, my perfect customer. You have to know who your perfect customer is. If you go generic with your content, you'll attract no one. What I would do next, okay? Okay, create a story for stories, okay? And okay, so I'll be the very first day. And I would create a story for my stories. Not a reel, not a TikTok video, but a story. And this is exactly what it would be, okay? All right, guys, wish me luck. I just launched into the digital space and I'm going to launch my own online business. If you've ever done digital marketing before and have any suggestions for me, please let me know. And I would send it. And it would go. So whatever platform I'm brand new on, I would do that. But here's the secret sauce. If I launched on TikTok today, I would make sure that my personal Instagram was connected to my business TikTok, and I would share that story on my personal Instagram, and Instagram would share it to Facebook. That's exactly what I would do. and it would just be a story. Because I'm taking my audience's temperature. I want to see if anybody has ever done anything with digital marketing before, right? I'm sharing my journey. People buy from people. They don't buy from you because you've made money. They buy from you because they believe you have the solution for what they're looking for. Your income don't pay nobody else's bills but your family's. This is exactly what I would do. I guarantee it. I would make 10K my first month. I have zero doubt because it's all about my belief around it. And it's literally all about solving the problems for my perfect customer. And I'm only going to focus on one problem right now. Because if I focus on that one problem right now, they see that I've got the solution. Guess what? I become the go-to gal. I become the hope dealer. I got my hope dealer shirt on. I become the hope dealer. Because I hope today they see a different perspective. That's how I created my content every day. I hope today they see a different perspective. I hope today they see that they too can learn these skills. I hope I showed up with that belief around that. That's it, no matter what you're selling. If I was selling weight loss, I would find out what is their biggest pain point. That's it. No matter what you're selling, this is how you market. Solve other people's problems. Okay. I do got to go because I have my training coming up here in a minute and I got a few things I need to get ready for them. So hopefully you guys seen value in this. Like this is how I would rebuild my income if I started from zero, and I would make money my first month, period, hands down. Go out there and make an impact. Okay.